My name is Leah and I work at the Southern Pines Public Library. Starting today, we'll be releasing short 5-minute video tutorials of some of our online resources and automated systems that you have access to from home. And the first one we thought we'd start with is called Beanstack, and it is what you're going to use to log minutes during the summer reading program this year. So I'm going to show you how you can navigate to it from our website and then actually how to use it to log your minutes. I'm going to minimize myself. This is the library homepage, and up here you'll note this is the library's URL, so you can save that to your favorites bar to get quickly here, or you can get on Google or any search engine, type in Southern Pines Public Library. We should be the first result to come up. When you get into the heart of our page, we have this rotating rack here in the middle of images that talk a little bit about some of the resources and services that we have going on. The first one is our summer reading program, and when you click on it, it's going to open up into a new window. And this is a program that we use that's from Beanstack, which is what we're talking about today, to log minutes. If you have participated in the past, then you do have an account with Beanstack. Go to the sign in button right here on the right hand side. If you don't recall your username and password, because it has been about a year since you used it, you can actually go through the recover password or recover username instructions to get that account information so you're able to get on. Let's go back. If you have never signed into this program before or joined the summer reading program, then if you scroll down, you'll see that you have the ability to register an individual or family. So you're going to click on it. And then it's going to ask you whether or not you are registering yourself, or if you're a parent or guardian registering a child, that will be an option as well. So I'm going to choose I am an adult registering a child. The top information is going to be your information, your account information essentially. And then at the bottom here, you'll put in your child's information. Now it just has the ability to put in one child's information. If you do have multiple children that you're going to be signing up for the program, all you'll do is put in that first kid's information, then click next, and then once you open the account, you will have the option to add the additional children. Once you create your account, it's going to show you your rewards. So everybody automatically gets a summer reading swag bag, and you'll be able to pick that up from the library starting June 15th. As you can see, the program's pretty robust, so you can do a lot of really cool, interesting things with it to help kind of give you some guidance and interact with your reading materials as you read. But the two things that you should probably be aware of, that you'll probably navigate to the most, is the first one is log your reading. So there's a button right up here. Alternatively, there's a little reading log over here in this navigation system. We're going to go up here to log reading. We log reading by minutes, so click minutes. It's going to have a little calendar, and it's going to ask you how much time you spent reading. Let's say I spent an hour today reading. I hope I do spend an hour today reading. You can choose to enter the title and author's information if you want to keep track of your books that way. Alternatively, you can just put in the minutes, no matter what book you're reading, and track it that way. And then, do you want to include a review? If you're one of our reviewers out there, you are welcome to. Log, and it'll say, yay, you unlocked a badge, and it will tell you all that information. And you can choose to enter a drawing with your one ticket or wait until you have a little bit more. So that is kind of the basics on how to log your reading. I'm actually going to X out of here. Now, the other part of summer reading is checking your rewards. So down here, you'll see there's a little rewards icon. We'll click on it, and it's going to show you what you have available. So of course, the more you read, the more options you have to get rewards, earn badges, and things of that nature. If you have any questions about our summer reading program or about this app, I'm going to go back to our website. We do have a little email icon right here. You can click on it and send us an email, and we will answer it as soon as possible. We also have our phone located right here. So, don't feel like you're alone in this. You are welcome to contact us, to ask questions. We do encourage it. And we hope to see you reading this summer for our summer reading program. Thanks.